Honor Magic 8 Pro and Magic 8 will launch in China on October 15. Honor Magic 8 Pro will be offered in 4 color options: Rising Sun, Velvety Black, Azure Blue, and Snowy White. Honor Magic 8 Pro hands-on unboxing video leaks. The images also show the new AI button and a flat metal frame. It features a circular rear camera module that appears to house 3 cameras. It may weigh around 222 grams. The device is equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip and scored 3,463 single-core points and 10,268 multi-core score. 16GB RAM, Honor C1 Plus and E2 chip, as well as up to 1TB of storage option, presumably with Magic OS 10 on top. The Honor Magic 8 Pro come with a 6.7-inch quad curved screen and a curved back panel. There is a pill-shaped notch on the display, and ultrasonic in-display scanners. The company confirmed the Magic 8 Pro will feature a 200MP periscope telephoto lens. Honor sharing Honor Magic 8 Pro night photography images is the true good of the night. Now Honor Magic 8 versus Magic 8 Pro compare side by side. The device packs a 7,200 mAh battery with 120W wired and 80W wireless fast charging support. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.